These are my buddies. Huh. The steers up there think they haven't been fed, but I fed them. Look at it. That's a good looking cow. A good looking bull calf right there. Those are the two heifers. The two heifer calves. And then that one's a bull calf. That one over there is a bull calf. And then that one's a bull calf. Whoa, sorry. What? What? What's the matter? Oh, I got Mama's yelling at me. Sticks, be good. Be nice, Sticks. Yeah, we got them all making noise. Got a pretty good herd going here. Look at that. They're eating all that grass. Oh. I should probably check the electric fence, make sure it's working. All right, there's all the babies. Wait. Oh no, there's one over here behind the mamas somewhere. See, there we go. Another bull calf. Hey, be nice. See that one, there's a bull calf over there. They all came up here. I think that's all of them. Yeah. Yeah, that's all of them. Just remember, Jesus loves you. God bless you. Have a great night. We'll see you guys later.